The VOVRELY Cordless Impact Wrench boasts an impressive 650 Newton meters of high torque, making it one of the most powerful battery-powered tools available for automotive and DIY projects. Equipped with two 4,000 milliampere hour batteries, this impact wrench offers extended runtime and rapid charging to ensure you can work efficiently without frequent interruptions. The 3-speed settings and 2 auto-stop modes provide versatile control for various tasks, preventing over-tightening or accidental loosening of nuts and bolts. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows users to effortlessly switch between drilling, screwing, and impact wrenching, making it a versatile tool for both professional and home use. A built-in 360-degree LED light ring ensures that you can work in dark or confined spaces with excellent visibility, enhancing precision and safety. The comprehensive accessory kit includes multiple sockets, drill bits, and a portable toolbox, providing everything needed for a wide range of maintenance and repair tasks.